It's 2018, January 9th. We are at Las Vegas attending the CES show. This is a coaxial helicopter. It's called the Dragonfly. It is connected with a tether to the ground. The tether has power and it has fiber, so the drone can broadcast the data into a cell phone carrier network. Whenever there is a disaster, say a network goes down for whatever reason, the Dragonfly can rapidly be deployed to establish connectivity. The rescue helicopter we have here is equipped with infrared sensor and heartbeat sensor, which can detect a person's vital sign under the debris. Stay tuned for more information.